Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Avinanda and today we are talking pots and pans. Personally, I believe pots and pans are as important as our food. Now it's been 2 years since I have dished all the non-stick cookware in my kitchen for the obvious reason because I didn't want to trade off the chemical in my food for a little bit of extra oil. So I opted for healthier options like stainless steel and cast iron cooking pots and pans. Cast iron has a lifespan of more than 100 years and stainless steel more than 25 years. So they match perfectly with my low waste journey. Cast iron gives a beautiful flavor to the food that's cooked in it. And over a period of time, it also gets a healthier non-sticky coating. Cast iron can go into your oven and can give a lovely crust to the dish being baked. But cast iron needs time-to-time seasoning and day-to-day maintenance. They cannot go into a dishwasher, they have to be hand-washed only, and cast iron is a little heavier. And that's why I use stainless steel more often. Stainless steel pots and pans are lighter. They can also go into your oven. They can be washed in dishwasher. You can also choose induction friendly stainless steel cooking pots and pans. You can cook all sort of dishes in stainless steel, which is not the case with cast iron. So with cast iron there are some do's and some don'ts which I will make a separate video about, but that should not keep you away from using cast iron. As I mentioned, they both have their own advantages and I love to cook with both of them. Also quickly mentioning the spoons and spatulas that I use with both kind of cookware. I like to use only wooden spatulas with my cast iron. With my stainless steel cookware, I like to use both stainless steel and wooden spoons and spatulas. I hope this video was helpful to you. So next time you go shopping your cookware, please give it a thought whether it's worth your money and time. I will see you soon with another video. Till then you take care. Bye.